So today we are here with Fossil Gen 6. This is the speaker phone. Let me take mic close to it so that you can have an idea of the sound quality. So this is Fossil Gen 6. It has inbuilt speaker and inbuilt microphone. Microphone is on this side. You can see the hole here. So I already done the unboxing and there is nothing much to do unboxing of this watch. This is the charger. This is the fast charger, guys. You can see two dots over here and two dots over here. That means it has the fast charger. From the previous Gen 5 generation, there are the changes that it has inbuilt charging strip. In generation 5 there were many complaints that this charging strip came off with time, so this won't happen over here at this generation 6. This is the metal belt version, the rose gold. That's why this is expensive. We brought this from just in time showroom in Pune, so it costed us sharp 25,000 rupees. But the strange thing is there is no MRP on this box anywhere. No MRP, no specifications, nothing. Even inside you will find the manual. There also there are no specifications. This is what you get in the box. Nothing much. And this is the safety instructions, useless. So that's all which comes into the box. That's why I have not done the unboxing. Now let's come to the point. I will keep the charger aside. So this is how it looks. These are all diamonds, not the real ones though, but looks really premium. So it has always on display. It has two processors. One is the primary processor is Snapdragon 4100 plus, and it has secondary processor as well, which stays on the always on mode when you don't need any power. So one thing I want to tell you guys, that when I started this watch just 5 minutes or 10 minutes ago, the battery was 50% and now it's 32%. The battery backup of these premium watches is always a concern. Going to the connectivity, it has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC. There is 8 GB internal storage. These all apps are stock apps which are installed into the smartwatch itself. not into the phone. Okay guys, one thing I want to tell you that this has tilt to wake feature which is available in the basic watch like this also. This is what 2000 rupees only, tag war new, and this also does the job. So if I turn on this tilt to wake up, see the notification, it's saying that battery backup will be reduced. Already the battery backup is worst guys, what more it will reduce. So for 25,000 this really looks premium. I will show you the plus points compared to other watches like this. It has Bluetooth calling, inbuilt microphone speaker that you will get from any other brand like Amazfit or all, Firebolt. There also you will get that, and that will cost you around just 7-8,000 rupees. And the biggest plus point of this one is this will get Wear OS 3 in the next update, and then I think many features will get unlocked and we will get to see something new. Now coming to the sensors, I played the music accidentally, but let's listen to it. Now you will need a Google Fit app to use any features, so I won't be able to show you what it does. But the sensors, when I tried to check the sensors, it says that this is not a medical equipment. Okay guys, you are investing 25,000 rupees and it says it's not a medical grade equipment. Then it's better to buy the medical grade equipment and some more smartwatch simultaneously. Now let's see what will be the results. Okay, SpA2 is 94%. Now let me try with this watch. I know this is not the accurate one. It always shows 97%. This is fake one I guess, but it has the sensors. If you see, it has the sensors, so I don't know whether it's fake one or not. If I remove it now, it will give me the error that please wear it into the hand. But I don't know why it see. So sensors are real, but I don't know why all the time it shows 97% only. The display is amazing guys, even though size is small, the display is amazing. The thickness is on higher side compared to other premium smartwatches. This is pure metal. I hope the color won't fade with time. The biggest concern I have with this watch is the battery. If the battery backup is not good in the first week itself, it's dying every day. not even every day. If I use all the features, like I play the song or something, it will die in half day itself. So it doesn't make sense to invest this much. It has Alexa. You will have to install Google Fit to use all the detailed apps. So these are watch faces. Let me try something else. So this is how it looks in other watch face. This suits well. So you can see the size of bezel is not small though. The best part was the navigation. When you can turn on the navigation and you can see the navigation on this display itself. Other than that, honestly guys, I'm not impressed with this. For the price, this should be something around 10k. And the strange thing is, as I showed you before, there is no MRP on the box. But on the global level, this is being sold for $300. So considering the customs and all, the price seems to be okay for India. But honestly, this is overpriced. Samsung Gear 3 has the dial at least, so it's user friendly. This is not at all user friendly. It's been 2 days I'm trying to get my hands on this, but still I'm not 100% sure what all feature it has. Okay, the accuracy must be good, and you know the price. Okay, it is 10 times costlier than this one, not even 10 times, in more than that. Then accuracy you should expect from the such kind of investment. Other than that, the straps are good, but the build quality which you will feel in the hand is not as good as the other analog watches you see, like a Casio 85 series or Gaze also makes good ladies watches. So even that, the build quality is so far premium than this one. If you are looking for the premium brand and premium watches just for show off, my honest recommendation will be, don't go for the smartwatches. Go for analog premium gold plated watches. They look so far better, and if you are investing in premium watches, the premium watches last so long that you can hand over it to your next generation also. But in such smart watches, this is made in China. The premium watches are made in Switzerland also. So smart watches are not gonna last for long, and you can imagine if the purchase cost of this watch is 25,000 rupees. Imagine by mistake you end up breaking this display. This display will cost you at least guys 10 to 15,000 rupees, and in that price you can buy another watch. So that was my honest review. I know I explained more cons than pros. If you are something very tech savvy and you love the smartwatches, then this is the way to go, because this one has the latest processor 4100 plus, and it will be getting Wear OS 3 very soon. It has 1 GB RAM, 8 GB internal storage, and all the sensors you need, and those sensors are accurate too. So if that is your purpose, then you can go for this watch. But if your purpose is not to utilize all the functions to the fullest, then I will recommend you to go with the other brands like Firebolt or any other brand, Amazfit. Those are dedicatedly launched into the smartwatch category. This is not dedicatedly launched into smartwatch category. I think they are designing it in house but manufacturing it at some other vendor. So that was my review for the Fossil Gen 6. Honestly guys, I don't recommend this watch for this price. If they reduce the price to competitive market like something around 15,000, then this will be good deal. And over Samsung Gear, the looks and the metal belt and the diamond finish really is attractive. Everyone will be curious about what you are wearing, but if you compare about the technology, the smartwatch itself, then I am not so happy, especially in the battery segment. If the battery is gonna die in half day, then it doesn't make sense to make any sense to invest such a hefty amount in the smartwatch. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop your comments below. Stay tuned, live loud.